Alright, let's solve this question on the board where we are asked to calculate the length of AD. This is our AD and is equals to x cm. So the formula we are using here, or the method we are using here, is Pythagoras rule. Alright, so for us to be able to find this our x, we ought to know the value of our y. Alright, and for us to find our y, we are using this right angled triangle. That is, we have two right angled triangle here. We have A, B, C, and we equally have A, B, D. So finding our y, we are using A, B, C. Alright, so using Pythagoras rule, we are going to have y square is equals to 17 square minus 8 square. Okay, so 17 square is equals to 289 minus 64. So we're going to have y square equals to 225. So we are leaving it at this stage at y square equals to 225 because we are still using y square to find our x. Alright, so in finding the value of our x, we are going to have x square. Now, since our x square is the hypotenuse side, that is the side facing the right angle. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are not subtracting, rather we are adding the square of the other sides, that is the square of AB to the square of BD, for us to be able to find here. But if we are looking for either AB or BD, we will subtract the square of this from this one for us to get this side. Okay, so let's continue. X square equals to y square plus, we are using AD, that's from here to here. That should be 8 plus 12 squared. Okay, x square equals to, our y square is 225 plus 20 squared. I'm going to have x square equals to 225, square of 20 is 400. X square equals to, this plus this is going to give us 625. Alright, so our x square is equals to 625. Then if you watch, we are not looking for s square, we are looking for just s. Okay, so we are going to do something for us to be able to cancel out this square on top of this x. And for us to be able to cancel this square, we are taking square root of both sides. Okay, once we take square root of x, we'll be able to, of x square, we'll be able to cancel this square because the square root will cancel the square. Alright, so we're going to have, taking the square root, we're going to have this square cancel the square root, giving us x equals to square root of 625 is going to be 25. Therefore, the length of AD is equals to 25 cm. Alright, so we have gotten the length of our AD as 25 cm squared.